Assalamualaikum and a good day everyone. My name is Husna Nur Iman binti Muhammad Fazli. I'm 12. I study at SK Melimau 1. My school code is MBB 1031. My hobby is reading. Today, I would like to share about one of my favorite storybook entitled The Picky Prince. The Picky Prince is a delightful and humorous children's book that follows the story of a fussy young prince who refuses to eat anything that doesn't meet his incredibly high standards. This book is written by Marcia Vaughan and illustrated by Nick Scone. The playful art style of Nick's illustration helps to bring the character to life and makes the book even more engaging for children. This book has 24 pages. The story revolves around a prince who is notoriously picky about food. Despite the efforts of his royal parents and various chefs, nothing seemed to satisfy him. His exaggerated reactions to different dishes add to the humor, making it an entertaining read. As the story unfolds, readers are left wondering if the prince will ever find something he likes to eat. This book is an amusing and relatable read, especially for parents with picky eaters at home. The combination of a witty storyline, engaging illustrations, and an important lesson makes this book a great addition to any child's library. It's perfect for bedtime reading or classroom story time, as it keeps children entertained while subtly teaching them about food acceptance and open-mindedness. The Picky Prince teaches children about the importance of being open to try new things. It also encourages problem-solving and compromise, as the character attempt to find solutions to the prince's fussiness. The storyline delivers its message in a light-hearted and amusing way. Reading The Picky Prince reminds me of my own experience with food and trying new things. Just like the prince in the story, I used to be quite picky about what I ate. I would often refuse to try unfamiliar foods, sticking only to what I already like. My family tried different ways to encourage me, just like the royal family in the book, but I was stubborn. Over time, I realized that being open to new foods wasn't as scary as I thought. The more I tried, the more I discovered new flavors and favorites. The moral value that I can learn from this story is it highlights the importance of stepping out of our comfort zones, and not only just with food, but in life as well. It teaches a valuable lesson that sometimes the things we resist the more can surprise us in the best ways. I highly recommend you to read this book. That's all from me. Thank you.